There it is. There's the hole and hole and hole for 3 shots. Now let's go to 4L, see if we can tighten that up. I doubt we can. Oh, shoot. Damn. Maybe. I'm glad I went further. It did tighten up a little bit. Okay, let's go to 3.5 L. See what happens. So one good thing about that's what I like about this tuner. Easy to go back and find your tune. I don't like those marks. Okay, that's starting to open up. Damn, that 4L. I'm loving that. It's 4 shots in the same damn hole. Yep, that's confirmed. A good tuning process. Okay, what you just saw was a series of groups being shot to determine which setting is best for the Swan barrel harmonic tuner. And I was using my 700mm STX Superior Heavy Liner and shooting the Nielsen Slugs in 22 caliber, 27 grain, .217s. And group shooting is not shooting for score. That's next. First of all, we have to get there if we want to shoot a good score. So you have to group shoot like you do when you're indexing your barrel or when you're shooting different pellets and slugs and trying to determine which speed works the best for that particular slug or pellet. So again, we're not shooting for score. We'll get there. It's just a process. But what you just saw, tuner setting 4L, came in at Super Sub MOA 0.068 inches for 3 shots. I thought that tuner setting 4.25L was the best, as you remember, and that was at Super Sub MOA 0.15 inches for 3 shots. Center's a center. So I actually was able to cut that in half by continuing on with the tuning process. And I did a confirmation. The confirmation for 4L came in. It widened a little bit, but again, we're dealing with a little bit of wind today, or a few days ago. And that center to center was sub MOA 0.216 inches center to center. Then we came to the zero, the proof of the concept. This 0 to 0, 4 shots was 0.140 inches. Again, for 4 shots. That's a hell of a group. And I'll take that anytime. So 4L is the tune for this particular barrel kit. And I want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch this. And I hope you learned something, and have a good evening.